I had two massive dents in my exhaust, and instead of replacing it, I put it in the freezer overnight. Now, a replacement part like this, second hand, cost about 8,000 Rand, which is a lot of money. So I thought, isn't there a way that with the dent being here, I can just put it like this in the freezer and fill it with water and ice. So basically what I did is I used these two holes and I put a little cover plate on like that with a rubber just to seal it. And then these holes here, I just put a clamp on with another rubber and another little cover plate. And then I poured water inside here and let it fill the pipe with water and then just some ice at the top. Then I let this sit overnight in the freezer, hoping that the ice will now start to freeze and that the water which will be at the bottom will freeze last. So then I thought, okay, that will create enough force to push out the dents. Okay, so it's now the next morning, and let's see if it actually made a difference. No ways. It actually worked. Look at that. It's gone. That is actually amazing. It's gone. There's a slight dent there, little bit. And a slight dent there still. But it's 99% out. It actually worked. I can't believe it. Now obviously I'm very pleased about this because now I don't have to buy a new header pipe. But you can still see that there's a slight dent over there. But then later on what I realized was when I put it in the freezer was just a little bit too small for this entire pipe to fit inside. So what I had to do is I just had to lift up this side slightly so that the angle at which this thing sat doesn't interfere with the lid of the freezer. So then I put this underneath here like that. And you can now actually see that mark, which is now still on the pipe, there is exactly the shape of this thing. Like that. As it was pushed on the freezer. I think it worked brilliantly. I put it in at around 8 p.m. and I found it the next morning at around 6:30 a.m. So if you're wondering, why did I fix the exhaust header pipes before I fixed the engine? Because when I fix the engine, I would want to be able to start it to listen to how the engine sounds. And without an exhaust, it's going to sound completely different. I've got some good news. So in this package, I managed to find the exact same cylinder head. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, this is in a very good condition. And this is where the piston moves with the 4 valves. So I'm very happy that I found this online and at such a good price and in such a good condition. And the bike that it comes from is also quite a low mileage bike. And this is the right color, the black color, same as the GSA that I've got. And then there's another thing which I also noticed. So when I bought this bike at auction, I did notice the blue frame. And one of the subscribers actually mentioned maybe this is the special rally version of the GSA, which I, at the time, thought, you know, who knows, I don't know, maybe it is. But then it was the auction and I bet on it and I won the bike. So there wasn't really time to dig into that history of, is this maybe the GSA Rally edition? But the Rally edition was the first GSA that I think I know of that had the blue frame. But now, when I took off the indicators and I fitted these new indicators just now, I realized that the subframe, which is this part from there to there, this part here, is also blue. And the wheels is blue. So the wheels I could see even at auction, that's not standard because, you know, the BMW GSA bikes normally come with either black rims and the GS models, most of them come with silver rims or aluminium rims. Now that I did some digging, I realized that this is definitely not the Rally edition because also the Rally edition only came from 2018 and it was the very last bikes before they came with the digital screen. So the dilemma that I'm facing now is, do I keep it blue? Maybe just change the subframe to black and the wheels to black, and the crash bars obviously back to silver and this luggage rack to silver, and enjoy the very good job which someone did. Next, I have to tackle that engine. So in the next video, we'll both know whether I try to do it myself and whether it works, or whether I decided, no, let's play it safe. Let's get someone to just do that part. See you in the next video. Okay, before you go, I just want to ask that if you like the channel, please subscribe and give this video a like. I would really like to make more videos like this, and your like can really help me to grow this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. It actually worked. I can't believe it.
Drug that I just can't deny.